Hi everyone, it's Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing to you what's inside that big wooden box. And there I keep all of my accessories, things that help me cross stitch. And I'm going to be opening it together with you and showing you what's inside. And then I'm also going to be showing you my floss organization, the organizer that I use for organizing my my floss, and how I store all my floss, cotton floss, DMC cotton floss. So it's going to be interesting, so stay tuned. In today's video, I'm going to be showing to you the what's inside my cross-stitch wooden box. And it's a big box. It has like 3 different parts to it. And most of the stuff that's inside here is accessories and like tools for helping one to cross stitch. So I'm going to show you what's inside. Let's start from this part here. Open here. And here I have needles. I keep my needles. This is clover. This is anchor, bohin, French, perman. Just a second. I have John James as well here. Different kind of needles from different companies. This is a needle threader, and this is a needle grabbers. I have one from DMC. Here I have a magnet. I usually don't use any magnets when I cross stitch. This is like for cutting floss. Here I also have these are needles by DMC, and here I have this just simple thread if you want to like sew for sewing. And this little picture here, this I cross stitched when I was a kid in school. I was in like middle school or something, and that's where I learned to cross stitch. And this is one of the first projects that I did, and it's not very neat, but I still wanted to keep it as a reminder. So here's just stuff. But these are just threads for sewing. Then I open here. Here I have, this is organizer by DMC. I have organizers here, and I have scissors, and this is for needles. And I have plastic needles here as well. And this is for an organizer that I have to write my the symbols here. Here is a bit messy. I have bobbins here with a ring. This is numbers for DMC floss. Then I have like bobbins. These are made of a cardboard, and I have plastic bobbins here as well. And these kind of bobbins is like an organizer, DMC organizer. Looks like this. You put your floss like this. And here I have also this kind of floss organization. You put your floss like this. Then I have, this is also like thread drops. This is floss organization. You can have it on a ring, and you can write the number here as well. Here I have floss bags. You can put your floss in a bag, and you can write the number, and you can have it on a ring. This is also floss organization number. from DMC. And these are my floss cards. These are organizer cards. And this is a magnetic strip for needles. I have Lorraine and I have DMC. I have a lot of them actually. And this is for floss numbers and floss organization as well. Well, this was it. Let me know what you think about my cross stitch box that I have my accessories and stuff that will help me to cross stitch. Do you have a box like this where you keep your stuff? I'm gonna start with my floss organizers, and the ones that I have, sometimes I buy these from USA project cards. These are made of like paper, but very, very hard cardboard paper. You have this one from DMC, and it has like a long magnetic strip that you can have your needles on. This one has as well. This one has huge holes. This one has a little less. This is what it looks like on the other side. Okay, next I have project cards or organizers that are made of plastic. And the first one is this one. This is made of plastic. And I have other ones. I have these that are made of also plastic. These are by DMC. You can't really write that much on it, unfortunately. So these are not my favorites. I like these project cards because I can write my the floss number and the symbol. And because I cross stitch a lot from different like magazines, charts, and I need and I have to buy my own floss. That's why I need to write the number and the floss symbol. I can show you how it looks, just like this. Oh, sorry, like this. So this is very convenient, but you can maybe use it a couple of times, and then you have to use new ones. Then I have like a different kind of plastic organizer that I've bought from Russia. You can't have a lot of floss here, not as much as on the paper one. And you have to buy these special cards. And you can only write the symbol number, but not the number of the floss. You don't have enough, I don't have enough space for both of that. So then I have organizers that are made of wood. This is from Russia. It's made of wood, and you have numbers. Then I have a different kind of organizer. This is also from Russia, made of wood. This you can take apart, and you have this card here. You can copy this one. This has magnets here, 3 magnets, and on this side as well. So you put your card there, you write your number, you write your symbols, and then you close it like this. And you have your floss here. This is really convenient. I like this one. And this will last you a lifetime if you take care of it, of course. And then I have another, this is also made of wood. And you can have your needles here. And you open this one. You put your card in there with the number, for example. This is just an example. And then you just close it. I don't know why it's like that. Sorry about this one. Sorry. So you have your paper strip with your numbers and everything you need to write there. You can also write on this plastic thingy, and you can use alcohol to get it off. So this is very good. I like this one. I'm gonna buy another one like this and probably another one like this as well. Then I have a really, really big organizer. This I've ordered this from USA. This can hold up to 50 colors. And if you see here, these ones, they break with time. These little things. These are a bit more harder and they don't break as easily. And you have this kind of foot. You have this thing, and you have these like a pole here. You can choose how long it's gonna be, like this or like this, and then you put it on this here, and just like this here, so it stands. So this is really good. I like this one. Then now I'm going to talk about my how I organize my other floss, and let's just start with my box. I have a couple of these boxes where I keep my floss. This is the MC, and it has all the numbers here. And these are like bobbins. And this I use just to get the floss on the bobbins. And there I buy different kinds of bobbins. I have the, let me just get it, just a second. I have like these are made of paper, like cardboard paper. You can write your number there. And then you can also have these plastic ones. And also, I don't always store my floss in a box. Sometimes I can use a ring with bobbins, and I can either use a special pen to write on the plastic ones, or I just use these numbers. But they don't stick very well to the plastic ones. They go off sometimes, to just get off. I don't know why. Then sometimes I can use this floss organization, and this would look like this. You just put your floss on this little pole. I don't know what's it called, an organization. And I don't have this box, but this is what it looks like with all of these in it. Then sometimes I can also use like these drops. These are made of cardboard, like paper, a little bit harder paper. And you have your floss on this one. Use a ring, and you can write your number, the floss, or you can have a sticker. And then, like if I cross stitch a lot from different charts and magazines, I have a lot of floss left. Like for example, this is from a previous project that I finished, and I have a lot of DMC floss left. and I don't want to throw it away. I'm gonna save it. And how do I save it? I'll show you. Just a second. I use these small bags. This is Floss Away. It's like a bag here, and you write your number there, color number, and there's a hole in there. So I just take my floss and I put it in these small bags, and I write the number there. And you can have sometimes you can buy these floss packets with a ring, and it comes with this small ring. I don't really like it. I like the bigger ones that DMC has. And you can store them by number or by color. I usually do it by color. So I'm gonna save all of this floss and put it in these small plastic bags. Well, that's about it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about my floss organization. How do you store your floss? Let me know what you do with your floss. And like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.